Friedman test in STATA. Friedman test is a non-parametric test. It is alternative to repeated measure of ANOVA. We use this when we want to find the mean difference of 3 or more groups from same sample, given that data is not normally distributed. So let's see an example how we can perform this Friedman test in STATA. This is a STATA data file, and these informations from this data, we can see that this is actually the effect for month 1, effect for month 3, and effect for month 6. That means here we want to see whether the vaccine dose has impact on the patients after certain interval. So what we did here in the first month, so in the month 1, we have this number of patients. So you see this is 2380 patients. So in the first month we have given them a vaccine dose, and these same patients have been given a different dose in month 3, and the same patients have given another different dose in month 6. Now I want to see the effectiveness of different doses of this vaccine on the patients, and how this actually affects on the patients at different time point, right? So in our data set, these variables, that is the effect of the vaccine dose, this is actually not normally distributed, and we want to compare three groups here, right? So these three groups, you see that effect in month 1, effect in month 3, and effect in month 6. So three different months we have used here. Now to perform the Friedman test, the STATA doesn't have that built-in command. So what we need to do, we need to install STATA community developed code. So to do that, you need to type help and Friedman, and then you will see that this is actually showing you how can you actually perform the Friedman test. So this is the community developed program, and this is actually showing how can you actually able to perform that test, and what does this mean. Now to install this command, this is the community develop command. Under the command option, type find it Friedman, and this Friedman will install the Friedman that we have just seen in the previous command. So that describes about this Friedman command. So to install that, I need to type into the command box find it Friedman. So under these options you can see that there are different version of this Friedman. Okay, so if you go, 13 packages is available here, and there is some modification of this Friedman command. So if you want to use the some basic Friedman command, so you just click on this one. So you see SNP to is to 1, and then it has saying about this software. So if you click this one, and it will give you the options. Okay, and then if you click the install, then it will be installed. Right, so it already installed in my computer, so it will not reinstall again, but in your case it will be installed. Right, now to perform the Friedman test, we have now installed our Friedman community developed code, and then we need to simply write Friedman and these three different response. So effect in month 1, effect in month 3, and effect in month 6. And you see this is the Friedman test value and this is the p-value. This is statistically significant because it is less than 1% or even 0.01%. So you see there is significant difference of the effect of the vaccine dose on the patient because it is statistically significant. In this way we can perform Friedman test in STATA.